Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn some hatch techniques. So in this video the hatch command allows you to fill an enclosed area with a pattern or solid color. So in civil engineering we are going to show some lines with some hatches. Okay, for example, if I want to show my concrete section, then I am going to choose the concrete hatch. Okay, AutoCAD allows you to show your concrete hatch just like we are drawing in our drawing sheet in diploma or BTech level. Similarly, AutoCAD allows you to show your section hatch using hatch techniques. Similarly, when we are doing edit for another lines, polylines and other works, here also we are going to edit hatch edit. Hatch edit allows us to modify in hatch. Okay, then we are going to learn gradient, what is boundary and hatch setting. Okay, so I will show you how to use these all settings and hatch techniques in AutoCAD. I will draw one rectangle so I can show you. See, assume this is my section of beam. Okay, then I will draw one slab section. Okay, I will trim it first. Trim. If you don't know what is how to trim it, you can learn from my previous videos. Okay, close it. Then I will show my bars, that is 4 bars. Then you can learn easily. I will copy it at the center, then make it ortho so I can make it vertical and horizontal properly. Escape. Then I will copy this, otherwise I will copy this. CO, enter. This is the shortcut key to copy. If you want to learn copy and modification tool, you can see my previous video. Escape. Now I am going to only show you the beam, tangent, I am going to provide stirrups. Close ortho mode. And this is your stirrup bend. Okay, now see, okay, now I am going to fill the concrete in this section, of beam. Okay, come to the hatch. See here 3 points are available: hatch, gradient and boundary. First I will choose hatch, pick close boundary. Okay, see that mat is showing here. Now I want my concrete. Click on drop down arrow, and this is concrete. Here concrete. See, I have concrete in this section and this also. Okay, then escape. Now I want concrete in this section also. So how can I do it? Then the option is grade, hatch, edit. Double click on it. Now the palette is open, hatch editor. Then what you want the scale is bigger than our drawing. I want to make it less. I am going to reduce the scale. Okay, I'm going to reducing. Now it is not happening. Then I will reducing, continuously reducing. See, the hatch is only applied in this section. Okay, again I will click on hatch, concrete hatch, and putting inside. Okay, this is this concrete block. If you want steel mat, then I will show you how to use it. Click on hatch, angle, then I am going to reduce. No, I am going to increase. See, this is a trial and error. So whatever you want, you just first reduce. Okay, like this you also show you your mat, or another option if you want to show your bricks. Let's assume this is my vertical wall. I will make it wall like structure so you can imagine easily. Okay, we'll move it, then you can imagine very properly. Okay, move here. Okay, let's assume this is my external wall. Okay, and this is my beam, and below beam the bricks are available. The brick section I have cutted from this line. Now you are seeing the cross section. Then I'm going to show you hatch, brick hatch. This is for in civil engineering, this is for coarse or uncoarse masonry, and this is for brick masonry. Click on it, escape. Okay, hope you understand till now. Then I am going to show you how to use gradient. In this area I will mix one rectangle or some circle. Okay, I'm going to use gradient. Put and click it, just simply gradient. Now you want to edit it, click on it, double. You can adjust the angle, you can adjust transparency, tint also you can adjust, color you can change. Okay, then close the hatch editor, close. Hope you understand what is gradient. Escape. Then boundary, it will ask for your boundary type, polyline, current viewport. Okay, give some boundary. Oh, see, this is close the boundary, enter. It will show. If see, the concept of boundary is when you are going to give the command of gradient or hatch, it will ask always the boundary. Okay, it will ask always close the boundary. So in that time you just first check boundaries are open or closed. It will show you the open boundaries, it will not choose. Click polyline. Okay, I will click it. See how he is showing error. Now I am going to click on close the boundary. Click on it. Okay, and enter. Okay, hope you understand. Here also I am doing polygon origin. Also he will ask current viewport. Will pick this point now and this. Okay, in command line you can see the boundary pick internal points. We'll put some value 20, 50. This area has been already specified. Okay, I'm going to just show you, that's why I put value. Okay, hope you understand what is boundary. Okay, thank you.